Good morning, student. I am Patar Sunil Ramnath, Department of Electronic Science, Sri Sai Baba College, Shirdi. Due to winter vacation of coronavirus, today I am teaching 8051 microcontroller online tutorial. So 8051 microcontroller. So first we study the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. So in case of microcontroller, I/O ports, RAM, ROM, timer, CPU register, they are available in a single chip. But in case of microprocessor, they are available on a motherboard. This CPU, RAM, ROM, I/O ports, peripherals, and CPU register. But in case of microprocessor, there is no on-chip RAM ROM, so they are available on motherboard. With the help of address bus and data bus, CPU communicate with this RAM and ROM. This is address bus. This is data bus. The speed of operation of microprocessor is very higher as compared to the microcontroller. Generally, microcontroller are working in some 10 to 22 megahertz frequency, but our microcontroller just as a microprocessor, just as a P4, so it can be working on 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So speed of operation of this microprocessor is very higher as compared to this microcontroller. So there are different types of microcontroller available in the market. That is 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, 32-bit microcontroller, 64-bit microcontroller, and so on. So today we are studying 8-bit microcontroller. So there are different types of manufacturer available in the market. So they are Intel, Atmel, Motorola. So we are interested in Atmel 8051 microcontroller. So silent feature of 8051 microcontrollers are it has 128 bytes of on-chip RAM, 128 bytes RAM, 64 KB of RAM, but the manufacturer put only 4 KB ROM. So there are two timers available in the 8051 microcontroller. There are 4 parallel ports which consist of 8 bits. So there are total 32 pins, I/O pins, which can be used as an input port as well as output port. Again, there are peripheral devices are connected to the microcontroller. So next one is the silent features of 8051 microcontroller. It has 128 bytes of on-chip RAM. Second one, 4 KB bytes of on-chip ROM. There are 4 I/O ports, so it can be used as an input port as well as output port. That is port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3. There are 2 timers in case of 8051 microcontroller. Next, fifth one, there are 1 serial port for serial communication. These are the basic silent features of 8051. So we are going for register set. So there are different registers available in the 8051 microcontroller. So these registers are basically used for temporarily storing the data. So there are A register, that is called as accumulator register. B register, that is base register, and there are again common general purpose register, that is R0, R1, R2 up to R7 register. All these register, that is 8-bit register. The register format for 8-bit register are as follows. They are just like D0 to D7, D1, D2, D3, D2, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So lower bit is called as LSB and upper bit is called as MSB. So these are the general register format for the 8-bit register format. Figure for register format. So these are general purpose register. Along with this, there are 16-bit register also. This is for 8-bit register format. So 16-bit register are nothing but DPTR, that means data pointer and program counter. So DPTR will be divided into 2 bytes, that is DPH and DPL, data pointer lower byte and data pointer higher byte. So it will be divided into 8-bit, that is D0 to D7, D8 to D15. So these are, that means data pointer lower byte, data pointer higher byte. So this one is combination of 8-bit. These are again combination of next 8-bit. So program counter is also a 16-bit register from D0 to D15. Program counter. So this program counter is register is basically used for giving address of the next instruction. Okay. So we are continuing in the next video.